But I can start doing the hood.
Yeah, bro. What you do that for?
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck you, this is the hood.
It's not a
What the fuck is that? Clean that shit up. What the fuck?
Did you really slap him? Did I get that?
The fuck? No. Dude, you fucking just, dude, don't fucking fuck with me. Don't fuck with me.
Is this
Fucking
dirty?
clean up. That's fucking dirty. That's dirty ass shit.
I'll lick it up. I'll lick it up.
You just fucking spit dip in my house.
That's how we do in the hood.
That's all you do in the hood. You don't spit in someone's fucking house. I live here, bitch. I fucking live here. You gonna fucking fight me? Or like, if you really want to do it? Alright, lad. You think you fucking man enough to do it? I'll take that fucking knife out of your hand. I'll stab it right in your fucking eye.
Hold on, give me a second. You're right.
Alright?
Oh, we're going karate too? Oh yeah, I forgot you're Chinese. We're dirty Dutch. You better watch for that cheap headbutt. You better watch for that cheap headbutt. What you got on that? That's it.
I can't get you mad, friends. Like, what the fuck?
How you doing in the hood, man?
In the